Hey everyone, Tom here, and today we're excited to talk about the D40 series injectors. Now there are 3 different models in the D40 series. They all are able to handle a flow range of 2.2 up to 40 gallons per minute, and they all have an 1.5 inch inlet and outlet. They also all come with their own mounting bracket, pickup tube, weighted strainer, and quick startup guide. The first unit in this series is the D40MZ2. This unit is able to inject between 1 to 500 to 1 to 50 or 0.2 to 2%. It's able to handle pressure ranges from 4.3 up to 116 psi. The next unit we have is the D40MZ5. This unit is able to inject between 1 to 100 to 1 to 20 or 1 to 5%. It is able to handle PSI ranges from 7.2 up to 116. The last injector we have is the D40MZ3000. This unit can inject between 1 to 3000 to 1 to 500 or 0.03% to 0.2%, and it has the same pressure range as the D40MZ2, which is 4.3 to 116 psi. All of the units have a metal-free piston, which makes it much more user-friendly and long-lasting in the field. They also are able to be maintained right on site where they're installed, which makes it easier for the end user. All of this information can be found online on our maintenance tab, as well as the part numbers and kits that you may need for your model. Of course, with any additional questions, you can always give us a call or shoot us a message online, and thanks for watching.